Hi and what's up? Today I am super happy because I'm going to be showing you how to make corn dogs, and it's going to be a very simple and easy recipe. So stay tuned and learn how to make this amazing corn dogs. So if you're new here, I'm Scovia, and without wasting a lot of time, let's begin. So I'm going to link all the ingredients in the description box down below. And also you can follow me on Instagram. I have amazing content and recipes. So for this recipe, I'm going to be using 6 hot dogs. As you can see, I have pat dried the hot dogs. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to be slicing my hot dogs 2 at a time, halfway, just like that. Make them equal. So I'm going to finish off with my hot dogs. That is how they're looking. They're cut halfway. You can also cut them in quarters. The half you cut in quarters. If you have a lot of guests, you can serve the hot dogs as appetizers for your guests. So I'm going to place this aside, and then I'm going to pick a bowl. This is a small medium bowl because the butter is not a lot. So I'm going to be adding in flour. Is it flour or flour? Someone corrected me on the comment section, telling me it's not flour, it's flour. Anyway, so I'm going to add sugar, baking powder, salt, and using a whisk, I'm going to whisk all my ingredients to combine. So once everything is combined, I'm going to be adding in milk. So I'm going to add a little bit at a time while mixing in. So while mixing, I'm going to move over to the stove top. I've placed a frying pan. And I've already added oil. So I'm going to let the oil get hot as I prep my batter. So the consistency of the batter has to be thick enough to hold onto the hot dogs, because once you add a lot of milk, the butter is going to be very light and it will be slippery and it won't stick on the hot dogs. So this is how the butter is looking. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and mix in the oil. My butter is ready, so I'm going to transfer the butter in a glass. Place this aside. Then I'm going to add my butter in the glass carefully. So once done, I'm going to place the glass aside, and then I'm going to pick my hot dogs, and then I'm going to insert I'm using skewers. I'm going to insert the skewers halfway, just like this. If you don't have the skewers, you can use a toothpick, but actually I think the skewers would be the best because they are super long. So what I've done to mine, I've just cut them in half so that they don't be too long. And the last one. So everything is done. So this is how they're looking after inserting the skewers. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to pick my hot dogs and dip them in my batter. Make sure they are fully coated. Once you insert them in the batter, make sure you twist, and when ready, place the hot dogs in hot oil. When placing the hot dogs in the oil, you be super careful so that you don't get burnt or something, all the oil splatters on you. So you let the excess drip off and then twist and place in the oil. So I'm going to do 4 at a time. Make sure they're not crowded. So this is how they're looking. So I'm going to flip. Look at that color. Everything is looking so good. So I'm going to fry for about 2 to 3 minutes. Or you can fry until you notice a very nice, gorgeous, golden brown color. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to transfer this to a paper towel to drain excess oil. Starting with the ones I placed the first. So I'm going to let these two cook for a little bit. These are ready also. So I'm going to let the excess oil drip for a little bit and then place them in my paper towel. This looks so good. You can make these corn hot dogs during the weekend when you have visitors. As I said before, they are good appetizers. Make sure they don't stick on each other. So there you have it, guys. It has been around 10 minutes making these corn dogs, and it's very easy to prepare. And you should also make this a favorite in your house once you try out the recipe, because it's going to be bomb. It's going to be delicious. It's going to be so good. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to catch you on my next recipe or video. Catch you on my next one. Bye.